In this video, I'll show you how to build a website with Bolt.new. Start by signing into your Bolt.new account. Once you're on the home page, click New Project if you're prompted to start a new project. Next, click the prompt box and describe the website you want to build. For example, type, build a modern landing page for a digital marketing agency called team.learnmodelab. Include a hero section, an about section, a services section with SEO, social media marketing, and web design, a testimonials section, a contact section, and a responsive navigation bar. Use a blue and white color scheme with a clean, professional design, ***. After that, click Generate and wait while Bolt.new creates your website. Now review the generated website in the preview panel. If you'd like to make changes, enter another prompt. For example, type, add a pricing section with 3 plans named Starter, Pro, and Enterprise. Add smooth scrolling animations and a dark mode toggle, ***, then let Bolt.new update the project. Next, continue refining your website with additional prompts. For example, type, replace the placeholder images with modern technology themed images and improve the mobile layout. After that, test the navigation, buttons, and responsive layout to make sure everything is working correctly. Finally, click Deploy or Share, depending on the available options, to publish your website and copy the public link to view it online. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to build a website with Bolt.new. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.